What's up, everybody? This is Corey from My2Cents, and today we have a screen protector for the Galaxy S7 Edge from Gpel. This is a real tempered glass protector. I'm pretty excited about this one. So it's supposed to be a full screen protector. It's silver edging. It's all the standard stuff on there, the HDs, the install, or olefophobic coating, 9H hardness, all the standard stuff you see. It's supposed to be real Corning Gorilla Glass. Which is kind of interesting to me, so hopefully it gives us good scratch protection off of it. So here we have our packaging. Let's crack this thing open and see what comes inside of it. Looks like instructions on the front panel there. And then we have another package inside of a package. And here's our actual stuff. So we have our screen protector and a bag of items. In the items, it looks like we have a microfiber cloth, a wet wipe, and then some dust removal stickers. To help us clean up and get this thing polished before we put our glass on. And here it is in all its curved glory. So it looks pretty good. I mean, the silver looks decent. We'll take a look at it compared to the phone here in just a few seconds. But you can see that it's curved all the way around on all edges. So basically there's no glue in the middle of the glass. It's just around the edge itself. So I'm a little interested to see how that's going to look when you put it on top of the phone. So we're going to use our cleaning wipe, then our microfiber cloth, and then the dust remover, and then we'll put the screen on. So I'll start with the lens cleaner, the wet wipe first, and just go ahead and scrub down the phone. Make sure we get all of the junk off of it that might be on there. Now basically anything that's underneath the screen will be trapped once you put it on. So we want to make sure we get it nice and dust free as much as possible. So we've got it wet wiped. Let's go ahead and just kind of polish it with the microfiber cloth. Alright, next thing we can do is take our dust sticker and use that to help pull up any dust that might be on the phone. You can also end up using these as helping you put the screen on top of the phone. I'm going to use them as kind of little hinges here. We're going to go ahead and remove the backing off of the piece of glass. You see, it's just on the black part on the back side is where the sticker is going to be. We're going to line it up. So just kind of lining up the home button at the bottom, and then the speaker grill camera is what I use at the top. Once you get those things kind of lined up, it'll sit down nice and easy. You can just move it over a little bit. There we go. Go ahead and just press it down once you have it centered where you want it to be. And then you want to slide around the edges with your fingers and just adhere the entire thing back down onto the phone. And it's looking pretty good. I mean, the color match is pretty awesome. It's a little off. I mean, it's not exact, but it's pretty close for the actual silver on the device. Now in the instructions it says if there's any rainbowing underneath it, you can see there's a little tiny bit right in the center of the screen, to pull up on a corner of the screen. So you can see when I press my finger down, it's got a little rainbow. So I wanted to go ahead and pull up on just one of the corners to hopefully relieve the pressure, and the freaking protector cracked. I gotta say, that's fairly ridiculous. Basically just lifting it up just right here, and it cracked. I just did exactly what the instructions said. So that's a pretty big bummer. I've got to say that I'm really not impressed by that at all. It's pretty fragile. I mean, I know that understand the harder glass gets, the more fragile it is. One other thing that's a little bit of a downfall for this is that you have a raised portion all the way around the device. Now I get the fact that you're putting a sticker or a piece of glass on top of a piece of glass, but I'd hope it would be a little bit less than that. The one benefit to Gpel is that they do say that you have any issues, they'll send you a new one no matter what. So I reached out to them, and I'll update this video, hopefully with some good news. One benefit though is that this is just like touching the original glass. It feels great. One other downfall though is it is not case friendly. Now it may just be that it's cracked, but it does not want to put this Spigen rugged armor case on. It really wants to pull the actual protector up. You can see how much it's pulling it up by looking at the screen protector. So at this point, I mean, honestly, I'm really not happy with this. I'm going to have to give it about 2 stars. Maybe I can give it a better rating. I really had high hopes for this. When I get, hopefully, a new protector from Gpel, I'll update this video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.